Today, I wanted to share with you my number one item that I love to wear when I'm working out in the yard, in the mala, in the jungle. So thanks for being here. And I'm really looking forward to sharing with you what that number one item is. One of my favorite ways to breathe aloha, raising my vibration, is by working out. And when I mean working out, during midlife, working out for me is now completely different from what it has been in the past when I was doing CrossFit, boot camp, HIIT workouts, those type of workouts. And at the time, at that age that I could do it, it was awesome. So I'm all about moving my body because I know that when I move my body, I can shift energy within myself, starting within myself, and shift energy around me. So now here I am in midlife, and I am choosing to continue to move my body always, but choosing workouts that are more in alignment with where I'm at in my life today. So for me, one of the main workouts is Malama Aina, taking care of the land. And you know, just like working out in the past, when you go to the gym, you put on the right gear, you got all your right things, and you got your gym bag filled with all the stuff. Well, when I'm working out here in the yard now, there are definitely some important items that I like to have on me, that I love to wear. And today I wanted to share with you my number one item that I love to wear when I'm working out in the yard, in the mala, in the jungle. And here it is. This is the Milwaukee High Impact Fog Free Lenses. And I love, love, love these glasses. They are, well, first and foremost, Milwaukee is not sponsoring this video, but I actually found these glasses that fit me perfectly. Now, keep in mind that all of our faces are very different, all beautiful, but very different. And this particular style just happens to work really well for me. What I love about these glasses, they are, one, clear. They're clear lenses, high impact, fog-free lenses. It's a military grade. Now, the fog-free part is really important because here in Hawaii, it can get very hot and humid. And when I'm working in the yard, particular glasses can fog up, which then counteracts their protectiveness, because then everything gets fogged over and I can't see anything while I am working with things like this. And I'm sure you've watched Kahulahela's video about this wonderful sickle that we absolutely love. So these are very dangerous. They're very efficient, but very dangerous tools. And, you know, I value my eyeballs. I value my vision. So it's really important to protect my eyes when I'm out in the yard. And actually in doing any kind of outdoor activity, even when I'm like cleaning my car out or whatever it is, especially if I'm blowing the driveway, debris can hit my eyeballs. So anyway, I love to protect my eyes because I value my vision. And I was inspired to really get into wearing safety glasses because a dear friend of ours had shared a story about a friend of hers who was doing gardening. You know, simple tending to the garden, and she was taking care of her rose garden. And we all know that roses have thorns. And unfortunately, she wasn't wearing any kind of protective eyewear. And somehow, during her gardening routine, the thorns had hurt her eyes, and she was in excruciating pain. She was in so much discomfort. So my dear friend had shared that story with us to remind us to, hey, she sees our videos and what we're doing out in the yard and in the jungle. So she's like, hey, make sure you guys wear protective eyewear. So I'm so grateful for that story that inspired me to really take seriously how to protect my eyes when I'm in the jungle. When we're clearing, we're also dealing with plants here that have thorns on them. Or in this case, like this thing, this is one of those awful vines that, you know, we're constantly trying to alleviate these vines. And it's so easy for it to, when we cut, it can whip right into your face if you're not paying attention and not being mindful. And there have been times where that's happened to me, and thankfully I was wearing my Milwaukee safety glasses. So this is my number one safety item that I love to wear when I'm out in the garden, yard, or the jungle and helping to malamaaina. I'm interested to know what you like to do for protecting your eyes or your body while you're doing this kind of sacred work. So never taking for granted how our bodies are instruments, right? They hold our beautiful spirit so we can do this awesome and amazing work. So I'd love to know. So please put it in the comments below. But thank you so much for tuning into this experience, because being out here with Mother Nature, taking care of her, cleaning the yard, being amongst all the living plants and the growth and abundance out here helps me to breathe aloha. So mahalo so much for being here. Remember, you are supported in love. And stay tuned for my next video where I'm going to share with you my second favorite item that I love to wear when I'm out here taking care of Mother Earth. Until then, a hui hou for now.